Okay, now my microphone is working. Sorry about that. So I'm in San Francisco today. So market about to open in 10 minutes. Let me see if I can grab some coffee here. Be back. Okay, now I got some coffee. We're ready to roll. 9 minutes here for the market to open. That will be a little tough today to answer questions. I will do my best. So let's roll. Let's rock and roll. Let me check my live here, check the settings and everything. And that's the issue when you have like not many screens, you gotta do everything live, you know. So let me fix something here on my live. Uh, Actually, it's not true. I can move the screen, but my screen is very small. So let's go here, add some tags. Okay, fix one issue. Now let's rock and roll. Do a little market analysis here really quick. As you can see, I have two accounts. Two accounts for like a top step one. The other ones are my take a profit accounts pro. So just waiting here for the market to open. Let's do a quick analysis here of the market. Let's see here. Let's see if 1 hour. Well, we broke all the downtrend. So we are going for all-time highs. Are we going today? I don't know. But that's where we're going, guys. So you see the longer time frame? Broke all the resistance. So now next resistance will be here, 835-ish. Oof, 200 points to go, man. That's crazy. Let's see fib levels. The fib level says that we go back to 500. So, and after that, 128. There's a little gap here. See this gap? Doesn't mean that the gap needs to be filled, but there is a gap there. I mean, there are some theories that say the gaps always get filled. I don't believe that, but that gap gonna get filled. Sometimes they get filled, right? That's how I see it. If that gap gonna get filled today, that would be awesome, but because we'll get more, I think we're gonna get more movement to the downside than to the upside, in my opinion, but Hey, we are flying here on pre-market. Buys are non-stop, man. 5 minutes, the market to open. We are near the pre-market highs right here. So, non-stop flying. So, I think we're gonna keep going. We're gonna try one. I'm gonna add to like have a three and total. It's a quick scalp here. So, not gonna hold very long because the market's open like 4 minutes. So, let's see what I can get. So far, we're fading the highs. So, see, one more here, five in total. Quick scalp. See what we can get here. 20s. So, let's see if we can push. See if we can push those highs. Taking a while. So, taking a while to push. So, a couple minutes for the opening. 3 minutes now. So far to fail the highs. So, yeah, I thought we were going to push a little more, but looked like we failed again for the second time there. So there we go. That's the push I wanted. Now I'm out. That was the push I was looking for. That was the perfect push for me. Perfect push for $100. It doesn't show correctly here, but that was $100 because I had 115, now I had 215, so that was nice $100 there. Nice push, nice idea. Very good to start today. See if I can share my stream on my Discord channel. Here we go. It's open. See what we get. Gonna get more upside, downside. What's gonna happen here? Trying to push. Oh, it's a dangerous candle. Ooh, more push, I guess. More push, man. That's so far. It's not a sell the news. Let's see. It's only a couple seconds open. It's not jumping into conclusion, but looking strong. Pull back to 5, all the way to 55-ish. So we're up 700 points, guys. So if we go, we might go to like 1,000 points or something. Everything looks very nice here. Yeah, keep on going non-stop. Looks like we going. All my moving average up to the upside now. So okay, let me see if I can open my little chat here. Yeah, it's non-stop to the upside. Thinking that's what we're gonna get. There's no pullback, man. No pullback. Just like one little buy, buy, buy. Crazy. $139. Going small here today. The hotel. So not many screens. So best thing is to set my log. Now I'm going to the other account. I'm going to take a profit. Find a small pullback. That would be nice if we get a pullback to like 650s, you know. But this market is very strong, guys. Shorts are getting destroyed now. We still trap for the shorts. Come on, trap the shorts a little lower. No trap. I'm waiting for like a trap here, you know, go to 51 or something. That's at least how I see it. That's my view. Can go all the way down, but I see it going back here to 57, 50, 57, 50, then I would like a long. But like now it's very strong, you know. See those candles? They get bought back up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait to go here and a little confirmation candle. That would be a big green candle, but let's see if we flip all the way down, man. Sure, that can be one or the other. Just gotta be a little patient and wait. Now we got some good salad right there. Yep. Good sellers, strong sellers. Now that's what I was talking about. See, that's what I was talking about. So I'm gonna try. 700. Yeah, I'm off. So I got 22 points. Not bad. 22 points, man. That's really good. 22 points straight from the hotel. So really, really good. My idea was to enter here, right? I told you guys before my entry. That was my idea right here in the big candle. I waited a little because I waited for the candle to formate. So if you book the idea, awesome. The idea was right here, and I ended up getting 22 points here. So that was good. And why did I get out here? Because of the 700s. I don't like round numbers, 600, 700, 500. But it's just me. I don't like to hold around those numbers. But I don't see a reason to tell the truth to sell besides my reason that I don't like those numbers. But it's just my preference. Took my 22 points there. And that's it. Happy with that. Yeah, I'm in San Francisco, so I'm for a conference, so I can go live during the day. How's the microphone? Is the microphone good? Can you guys hear me well? So, yeah, now I would wait again to go back here and try again. But I don't know. I think it's gonna continue. I think today's the day that shorts gonna be like, oh, it's up too much. It might be just getting smashed. That's just how I see it. But again, things flip all short too. But for now, that's how I see it. So that's the day, and all short's gonna be like, oh, it's up too much, and short, and short, and short. And I mean, if you short it here, you had to get out of here, right? I had to be like a scalp. Okay, now we're back on the moving average again. So following the moving average idea, that should be up. Keep going. See? Yep. Let's keep going so far. Following the moving average idea, that candle needs to break here. Yeah, looks like it's about to happen. Let's see. Okay, so is that trying to hold that up? So is that trying to hold that up? Let's see what we got here. We got a hold here for the bias. Keep going. Yep, we're holding there in the moving average. That's where we gotta hold. Let's see if sellers come now and flip the whole thing. Yeah, that's some good sellers there, guys. That's some nice sellers right there. Yeah. Sellers are coming strong. So from here we'll go to all the way down here. Pretty much super short here on I have another chart here on the side. It's not there how I like. It's okay. It's just the numbers are different. Let's see MNQ futures. If I could get a nice pullback here, the MNQ futures, yeah, now it's updated here. It's fine. Yeah. Okay. That's the opening range so far. We open here 600, went to 720s. We are trying to hold, longs are trying to hold. Longs are hold strong, man. Tell you that. Yeah, not letting break down. Look at that. Ooh, squeezing the shorts. Yeah, I think we're going, guys. Are we gonna fail here at the second try? I don't think so. I think we're gonna fly and smash the shorts. Should I go? Should I chase that? One big candle can destroy in here. I guess it's something. Cool. Yeah, we're trying. Still trying to push the. We're trying to push. It's never gonna get the breakout. It's gonna fail the breakout. Yeah, we failed for now. We failed for now. Schwartz gonna be happy and start trying again. And then I get messed. Yep, that's what happened. See? Let's candle here. Shit. See this candle? Oh, we're trying to push. We are trying to push. We're having a hard time. We are having a hard time to push. Okay, we failed so far. Are we gonna push now? Are we gonna push? Yeah, we're holding the highs. We're holding the highs. That's good for the longs. We try to fail right here. Looks like it's just a pullback. So smaller time frame. Looks like we're in a little uptrend here. So we're riding this line. That's the 21 SMA. So that's what we're doing so far. Buys are holding perfectly. For buyers, we need like a push again. Wonder if we're gonna test again here. Yeah, we are up a lot. We are up a lot, but hey, are we gonna go test again here? I don't know. I'm tempting to long here though. I like the long here to tell the truth. I like the long here. Let's see. I think I want you there. Fuck man. They're up in chilled full size. Ooh. Let me get out to protect myself because I went on full tilt mode here. I was full tilt mode there. So I was full tilt mode. Actually, that would be good because I still reading the market right, but just my position size was insanely high. So I had 6 contracts. here will be making a lot, right? Like I got out of 10, so here will be making a lot of money, but I still see it, man. I still see the push. Let's try again. Yeah, the nugget field. I still see this push because it's like, it's classic, squeezing the shorts. I'm gonna try to push it down. Let's see, one little more push it down, I'll go. Yeah, yep. Got out to protect myself, but hey, that shit went up, man. That went up. Dang. There's no love for the shorts today. That's a good idea here. That's actually a great idea. That was just like such a huge position size. But here is six contracts. Whew. I'll be up like fuck, like 4 or 5 thousand. I just got out to kind of protect myself now. Luckily, I woke up. Yeah, we're going, man. We're going. Don't stop. No love for the shorts. So if you chase, we really make money chasing. Quick 1 2. Quick 65. Yeah, no love for the shorts. That's all I tell you. Yeah, keep it going, man. Keep it going higher. We keep going non-stop. Hey, we might pull back at some point. We might not. So, just wanna go where it goes. It's crazy. It's like non-stop going up, you know? Okay. It's like buy mode. Like buys came in full force. Like you can even chase those highs and it keeps going. Is the seller gonna step in? Yeah, at one point. Not now. Not right now. 'Cause right now we're in a big uptrend. We're not even to 1,000 points higher, so that's what I see. I see we're going like all the way to like 1,000 points higher, but no one does this. The market love those numbers. I tell you what, we are not too far from the all-time highs. I always like say. Let's see what all-time highs there was. Yeah, actually, we're right by all-time highs, I think. Uh, shit, we are very close to all-time highs, guys. Ooh, like 100 points to all-time highs. Man, my screen's kind of small here. Yeah, look like Trump was able to pump the market. Non-stop popping. Yeah, we're going to all-time highs. Let's try. Let's chase. Oh, we're in the 800s. Yeah, I don't like it. Remember, I don't like round numbers. Yeah, fuck it. I'm glad I just showed. Yeah, take me out. Round numbers, baby. Not my thing. But we're gonna go. We're very close to all-time highs. Very close. Lock my account for the day. Let the market do what market wanna do. Have five bigger profit. One, two, three, four, five. I'm way up over the buffer, so take more money. So maybe transfer to place some money. Post that on Twitter. That's what people do, I guess. Not a fan of posting P&L because I believe that doesn't do well for people's, I don't know, psychology, but it's just kind of like transparency since I've been posting now. So I'm gonna do it again. Let's do the math. That's because I was reading the market well, that's all. But like, look, my only mistake today, like the first trade took 22 points. The second trade kind of was $100 I made, but I should have held longer. Look at this candle, man. Shit. If I had this longer, that would be more than $10,000 because I had six contracts. I just got scared going too big. But I'm very happy with the result. So maybe now the pullback coming. Just post there, five, take a profit. Back there. Five profit. 3,100. I got a little pullback here from the highs, 800 to, yeah, that was a nice little pullback there. Trying to go slow and steady. Mm, slow and steady, pay the bills. Here, 339, count a lot. You have, sorry, that the wrong one. Count, count. How much is that? Oh, looks like we're getting a little pullback here. 850 points from the highs. That's nice. Whatever shorted them, it's some 339, which 1000, 1695. I think I'm actually able to withdraw now. Let me check. I think I'm able to withdraw take a profit, I know for sure. Because I've been taking money out of that for a while now. Let me check the payments, payout. Yeah, it should be eligible, I think, because now it's like 3 days. I'm not sure. So, I don't know. Might come live. I'm gonna stay live all day today. I might try again tomorrow. So, YouTube is not being very nice to me lately. Not like recommending me or anything. Not sure what's happening. Yeah, nice pullback here. Nice pullback. Count locked, protected. That was a good one here. Take a profit. Yeah, here's a good short. Whoever took the short. Yeah, my indicator told me it's a short around 38 right here. Shit, you have to go here and short. Not bad. 100 points from the highs. How you guys doing today? Say hello on the chat. Maybe now we bounce 62, 700. A good bounce from the 700s. Very nice. Very nice bounce here. See if this moving average holds on the downside. I think we bounce. Let's see. We bouncing. The radio's right. 700. We bouncing. See how high can we go? Yeah. All-time highs incoming. The hotel here in croissant, breakfast included, croissant. Maybe better than nothing, right? But it's all they have, croissant. Okay. Looks like it's not now that we're gonna go to all-time highs. Pulling back again. Short or long. Wow. I think it's a short trap, my opinion, you know. I think it's a support here on the left. That's what I see. But whatever you do, you gotta have a plan, right? It's always the thing about trading. So if you go along here, right, go along here, your stop gotta be here, right? The thing is that sometimes what the market do is that a lot of people are thinking that way. It goes here and pop. So, my opinion, the best thing now is to wait for confirmation. See the 5 minutes. See 5 minutes hold down, very nice. 5 minutes in an uptrend. 5 minutes to this uptrend here, see? So I don't know. I see as a long. That's how I see it. How I see as a long. I don't think the institution is willing to sell now. That's how I see it, but can be completely wrong. Yeah, I see. I see a long here. It took only 5 minutes. 5 minutes looks strong. See, trying to push back high. That's my view. My view along there. I already locked my account for the day. I made what I want for the day, but I see a long with a plan. Yeah, that's the thing. We might be in a range too. Yeah. So they fake the lungs here. That's what I did. Fake the lungs. Now I fake the shorts. So just gotta be careful. Yeah. So far, we're not breaking out. We're not breaking down. So so I got a little range here. 700 to it's a big range, man. 700 to 60, so 60 points range. Yeah, it's a huge range. So we're in nice range there. But now we're breaking down. Still breaking support now. Might be a short trap too. Can be a short trap, can go all the way up. Yeah, it's broke down here, but the short trap. So shorts came strong here now. They're gonna hit my guys match them. Yep, look, that's what's happening so far. Look at that. Oh man, look at that candle. Oof. And that's what I told earlier, remember? That the market loves doing that? Loves going here and push. How do I know that, man? I just got in so many trades in my life. 5 minute charts. It looks like an uptrend for now, yeah. Maybe it's broken the uptrend. Yeah, it's broken. You need to hold here. Range, we're in a range. There we go. Thinking now we might push, let's see. Let's see if we get that push now. Understands Buddha. Buddha, she pushing. Can we go? That's the question. Can we go now or not? We have the support here once, twice, 3 times. Probably on this little online range. That's it, man. We are in a range. Passing support again. Yeah. Let me grab more coffee. Be back. Things going on. Somebody out the cross, huh?
I didn't even know that existed.
I remove this thing right here.
Don't worry.
Yeah, okay, the 5 minutes here, we are still holding. Yeah, big range. Yeah, just watch for the range, guys. Go ahead, yeah. No problem. Yeah, well, 80s and 720.
There's a better say. Those are I think that's how I care.
Yeah, that comes the breakdown. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I can see the all-time highs coming soon, yo. Look at that candle. Huh. Let's see here on the lower time frame. Yeah, it's failing here on this previous resistance. So it's a buy support, sell resistance type of thing. Again, it should see more upside, in my opinion. You made a crossing here. Yeah, it's definitely by support cell resistance.
So it's not next to it. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, it's also good. I mentioned a little bit, that's probably because we don't stick a CS and you start to do all these things. And it's not on the because I do that because it's it's one person is everything. Okay.
Let me see if he be back. Okay, so yeah, we're holding very well. Holding the support, we're holding the resistance. See the 5 minutes charge here. Still bullish, bro. Still mean bullish here. It's in a big range, you know. Look at that range. It's a big range. The lower time frame here. Two big bullish, but it's a range. It's a range. Make sure you know it. The resistance is the support. Tell you what, do not try to get it breakout as much as not try to get it breakdown for now. I would buy the middle of the range is still good. Top of the range might get short with a small stop. You buy here with a small stop, that's all. That's simple. We are holding the range. You gotta know where to place the stop. So always you gotta think about it, you know, where to place the stop. If you buy it here, the stop means you go all the way here. If you buy here on top, you're pretty screwed, man. So short here, you can have like a tight stop here, but don't die on the resistance. That's good for now, you know, because as you can see, it failed once, failed twice. Same thing here, failed multiple times at the breakdown. But you gotta have a strategy, you know. No matter what, know your risk. Some good trades at the opening here. Got like 20, 22 points here. Later here I had a huge position, 6 contracts. Then I think I was overexposed, so I cut it early. But if I held, that would be a huge win. So then later just went my small scouts. It would be a huge win. I just was overexposed now. Because since it's running this EMA here, it kept going. Then when they got here, I was like, no, I'm gonna lock the account. Because I did not wanna be here. That's all. See where we are now, it's range. I do not want to be exposed to that. See how long we're gonna hold those range. That's the big question. At one point, we're gonna break down or break out. That's clearly when. Sellers are pushing back. Well, we're up 750 points. So, that's the support again. 700. See, that's the long. The long is here, man. 700. Your long here, your stop better be here. Yeah. Crosses there. We're gonna pass the 70. I don't know. Let's see. Now we are testing support. We're testing support now. Big range, man. Look at this range. It's just very annoying when you get caught in here, right? Um, So, let's see 5 minutes. 5 minutes holding. 15 minutes holding. Everything's holding. Okay, so should hold. Yeah, it's very annoying when you get caught here. Yeah, pressing support again. Later we're gonna come past the resistance. Or we're near open highs. And anything can happen. I need to buy a new iPhone. Okay, it's too old. Need to get new headphones, man. Stupid headphone broke yesterday. We go. Yeah, wanna go back again. Test the resistance. Where did you go short, man? Did you short resistance? If you short resistance, it's good, man. If you're showing support, I don't know. I don't know. Just know your stop, man. Know your stop loss, that's all. If you short around here, that's good. Why did you short? The 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. Damn, at 45. Yes, trying to go back up now. Yeah, now we are testing resistance again. Going out, testing the resistance again. 3806. 30,806. 806. Then my charge will not even get a 806, 806. Yeah, we failed again. Yeah, I don't see your short though. 30,808? I don't see that. Yeah, I don't see the 806. Oh, the big question is, did you take profit? Yeah, now we might go back, test this resistance. Oh, okay, 806 is a stop, I see. Oh, what's your entry price? Yeah, we are in a range now, so still in this big range here. 732. Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. We were like right in the middle of the range. Yeah, now we see we're testing the uptrend again. Yeah, because we're in a range. See, we're in this big range. So now it looks like it's testing those resistance there. And the market was very strong. See how strong it is? See this uptrend? So, no, I'm not gonna trade. No, no, no. I already traded today. I already did a bunch of trades today. No. I already made my money, locked my account. Yeah, now we're breaking out. But now we're breaking. Yeah, whoever's buying support, he's making money. Yeah, usually my goal is like 1,000 per account. Oh, it's all the same. Like you see here, all those accounts are the same. All the same P&L. Because I cop trade. Can see here on top, it's like 5 accounts. So if I go on one account, it's pretty much going on all of them, man. Yeah, it's everything at once, man. Everything at once. If this thing hits all. If you have not subscribed, subscribe right there. Let me change hit the live stream. Uh, how do I add that thing? Subscribers only for a minute. Yeah, we are testing the high of the day. Yeah, now we're testing the high of the day. Yeah, we are up 830 points. Yep, testing the highs, going breakout now. Clear breakout mode is on now. Yeah, we're still on uptrend though. You definitely went against the trend. Okay, that's a huge bull flag here. Let's see the higher time frame. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, we are very close to all-time highs. So I think we might go to all-time high. So far we are 847 points. I think we might go to like 1,000 points or something. But what I honestly see is pretty much here in this range. I was calling out earlier. I don't know if you were here early, but earlier I was calling out like it's a big range. When you started here, you could see there was a big range. It's pretty much like by the support, have a stop loss. Like see here, they do that a lot. You buy the support here, the stop is like close, you're out, right? So you gotta give like 30, 40 points. Because those candles, they're like insanely big. Yeah, now look what we're doing now. Look what we start doing right here. Start writing these moving average. See? The 9. Now watch. If it continues to the upside, just watch writing these moving average. But let's see. It's still testing. It's not set yet, right? Like to keep going, you gotta go here, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and keep going. And it looks like that's what it's doing. See? Down, 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 slowly. You want 860? Yeah, it's a good call. 860, yeah.
And I'd be like, you know, always, I think in my opinion, I don't know. Maybe I am probably things and not very good. Yeah, it's really there.
It's weird my chart on trading view. It's like on trading view, my all-time highs. See here, I have all-time high at 31. On my trading view, my all-time high is now. It's very weird. Yeah, but like, I don't know, it's weird that my trading view shows one thing and he shows another thing. It's like, let me show you, look at it. So my trading view showed that, right? You go back here, all the way here, that's what it showed. So I actually passed. So it looked like we passed the all-time highs. That's what my trading view shows. Yeah, now we have the new all-time high. Yeah, looks like it's gonna keep going, but we'll see. Let's see how long we can go here. 360 looks doable. Slowly but going. There we go, maybe your push comes now. We should be like a big push. You can see now it's being very controlled. You see, like very slowly. Buys very slowly. Key, yeah, we got the push early on. Like key, but it's the opening, you know. First 30 minutes of the opening, we usually got those push. But now, hmm, see, see if we can get your push like fast to A60. That's it. It's being very controlled. We are back here to those highs on the left. Now looks like we're creating a new range. We have one big range here, looks like we're creating another one. That's what usually happens. One range, another range, and might keep breaking. So
quella, quella, dice, dice che ci deve nuove,
That's the 100 again.
business. Probably. Not the ones with the business. You need some more sun. You go out there. I don't know, it's there. And you go right after. Water. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, looks like there we go. We might go to the 60s now. We might go to the 60s.
And then we're going to go. It's got to go. I work on now. Yeah.
So you need to hold here to hold the 30s.
Yeah, yeah. I prefer a move, but it's like just check off the bus like that.
Yeah, looks like it's very controlled, very slowly.
So that's what's it happening? We've talked about the race. It's not the race. What's in it? But actually, basically, stored data. Yes, but among many things now, essentially. You have similar to AWS, make sure that okay, it's not, but they're looking for and high performance. It's so you're engaged. That's cool. Good, original. Well, everybody thinks like right there about what's today. Some of the, a lot of the, but very nice, she's over, so there's exact variance, regularly. No. So, did I mean, if you're not, if you're not, technology, like for a year. For me, I like, I was talking about network. I don't think that you don't want for me, or if you don't, there's zero watches.
Oh, I mean, you are like on the right side of the trade, right? So pretty sick. Yeah, it's very slow now. There we go. Now we're pushing. Now you're getting the push, man. Now we're getting the push. Just need like a stronger push. Yeah, we're almost 900 points higher, so there we go. There we go. One more push. One more push for almost 900 points higher. Need 10 more points. Try 20 like 52. Let's try again. Yeah, one more push. See in the 5 minutes. Yeah, I think coming now you push. See, we need 900 points. That will be like 3% higher for the day. It's just this push. That's it. Come on, let's go. Ooh, something happened. Something happened here, man. Sure, they were so close for a profit. Let me see if I find some news. The fuck was that kind of? That was a flash sell there, man. Shit, look. Yes, I don't see any news. I don't see any news, dude. How come there was a big drop there? But how is this pullback strong though? I cannot find any news on that. That was a big proof. Yeah, I don't know. It's a strong boom. It's like 55 points from the top. Let's fix this stuff. Yeah. It's held the support. You can see here, look what it's holding. It's holding the support right here. The 800 support, yeah. Yeah, it's held the support. Do you remember September? Mm, It's switch automatically. Yeah, it's switch automatically now. Yeah, it changed for me when I open here. I was automatically. There we go. Maybe now you got your break. It's break 50 is gonna get strong push, I think. It's trying. 50 is holding. Okay, one more push. There we go. You're closest to the push now. There we go. Close. Yeah, it's very slow now. There we go. That's the push we're waiting for, you know? Yeah, that's the push, man. See, non-stop. Yeah, it took a while, but that finally came. That's what we wanted, you know? Now you can see the sellers getting destroyed.
That's things that we don't discuss.
Yeah, that pullback here, man. It's good that you held. That pullback here is strong. I thought there was some news or something.
Now, you saw where films should be getting all this. That's
Usually like three or five. Like here, I only made three today. I was one, two, three, four actually today. It was usually like five, three, five. Yeah. The first hour for me is the best, man. For my strategy, it works great for me. Yeah, we're up 930 points. I'm gonna go to a thousand easily. And we go for new highs.
Just like that, fell out of the way.
Yeah, it's still very strong, man. See here on the left, we're up 945 points. I won't be surprised if we're up like 1,000 or something. Yeah, there's no reason to go short, man. Yeah, it's still like a big uptrend. You cannot just short because it's too high, you know. I mean, it can work, but look at this big seller here. Yeah, 900 fair. I see the 900, exactly 900 fair. Exactly the round number, 900 fair. Your entry is 876, yeah, it's close to your entry, yeah. But still holding up here, still strong. Yeah, one thing with time I learned not to pick battles with pups, you know.
Ich schreibe auch das Ergebnis, das ist das letzte Ergebnis der
So close to the highs. Yeah, it's so close to the high. Look at that. So it's holding 900. There are some sellers there around 900. 900 is holding. It's like a psychological number, you know. So all the 900s, 800s, 700s, those are the psychological numbers that hold up. So try again. Market is very strong, man. The market is very strong today. No, we're up 936 points. The other day we were down like what, like 1,200. Sometimes you think, oh yeah, it's too high, but hey, we can keep growing, man. We can keep growing. See the 5 minutes? Look at the huge uptrend of 5 minutes. I think we might go to 950s or something.
Posso chiamarti un attimo per vedere se riesco, sai?
The market is very logical. What's holding for now is the 900 levels holding, but honestly, I don't see big money selling that right now. Yeah, let's see if we go again. See if we go. That's so much comes. So we are back to your entry, looks like. And now we're back in this little range here. 900 is the one that held it very well because it's 900, you know. Early on my trades, I actually have 700. That was my trade here. And 700 marking, I'm gonna get out because I don't like those numbers, you know. Later, when he again, that was support. Should go out too soon. Let's see if we break the range down, up, see what we can get from here. Okay, so we are holding the support here. Now we have this little resistance. See what we're gonna do. Let's see what we're gonna do. Now the range got smaller. If you go here, man, that's a big range. Because it's very volatile. It's very volatile at the open. Like what I do, I read the candles, you know. Like when I trade like here, like for example, see, first candle it went down all the way, and the candle held up. I was like, okay, bulls are pushing, so I'm gonna wait to confirm. So what I waited for, I waited for this 9 to confirm. Like I was actually doing live and I was doing live. Like before it even did that, I was like, well, I'm gonna wait for the candle to touch the 9. So when the candle touched the 9, the candle stopped pushing. But it's very fast because it's at the opening. You know, it's only like key was like 5 minutes from the opening. So then I went long. I went long, so I got 20 points here, 22 points. And then I'm like, man, I got 22 points, $430. I'm out, right? I'm gonna wait for whatever's next. So later again, the candle touched again the moving average. Right? When the candle touched the moving average, I went long. But when I went long, I ended up adding. I went one, then I added two, then I added more here. And then when I look, I was like, oh no, I'm actually like too big. I had 6 contracts. 6 contracts on mini. It's a lot, right? So then when back here, I'm like, fuck, I'm out. You know, time out because I was overexposed. But because I was wrong here, going too big, I should have held one contract here. If I would one contract here, I could have get another like 20 to 30 points here and be out. So, but I was overexposed here. So that's what happened here. And he chose like, nah, it's too high. I'm just gonna take like a small scalp, just like quick scalps here. So that's why it's better to trade the micro because we can hold longer. You know? So So yeah, that's pretty much my thought process though. Oh man, been on for 3 hours already. 3 hours. Did not get many people online today. Because there are some big YouTubers, some like competing with those big YouTubers and stuff. So yes, sir, yeah, that's exactly what I did. Yeah, because if you go back here, if you go back right here, it's pretty much like people try to. I really try to think how shorts are thinking, right? Like if people are shorting here and doesn't keep going, they're gonna get out like crazy. So they are getting out. But that's all about the momentum, too. My trade's big momentum. And you can see here that I was following this 21. Because first it's like, okay, it's following the 9, right? It's following the 9 MA. But then here start following the 21. My only mistake was not holding longer that one. That one I took 20 points, nice. 22 points, nice. But the second one, I should have held longer, but I got very emotional because I had a big position. So again, my mistake was going too big here because man, my size was huge, 6 contracts, and one big pull right here, that would be horrible for me. So then I'm like, what, better if I get out. So I got out. But if I held, that would be beautiful. But I don't think I should be like going such a big size. Like all those other trades are like small size, small size. You can make a living doing small size, You don't have to be a hero. Yeah, it's nice if I held here and I made like 10, $20,000 per account. That would be beautiful. Imagine 50,000 dollars. That's beautiful, But what if it doesn't? What if it goes the other way? That's not good. So it's better to go small and you don't get emotional. So yeah, looks like now we're breaking here the 900s. Broke the 900. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. So now it looks like we broke the 900s. See if we can hold now. Let's see if we can hold now here. So let's see if we can hold. So yeah, the problem with paper trading, there's not emotions. There's no emotions involved. When there's like real money, there are emotions. Maybe you should try like get one of those prop firm accounts, like a small account, like I think 20, $30. What's the cheapest take a profit? Let's say take a profit, let's say $25,000 account. Yeah, now it's more expensive when it's like 150 and let's see if they have a promotion. I thought they had a promotion, like 40%. So yeah, with 40%, it's gonna be I think like $50. So or Apex, you can even go to Apex. Apex are very cheap, 90% off. You see, just get one, just so you kind of like feel it. You feel like the real thing. See the big sellers step up here again. Big sellers step up here again, 900s. Not sure if buyer's gonna let that go down. Yeah, buyers are holding. Yeah, buyers are not letting it go down. Yeah, usually if you go like the small contracts, you don't get too emotional. But the bigger the contract, the more you more emotions you're gonna get on. Because in the end of the day, we are as humans, we are not wired to lose, right? We want to win because our brain thinks that winning is survival. If you think about our brain is very old, could be around Earth for so long. Could go hunting, and if we don't win, we starve, we die. So our brain thinks like that. So there are research that says that one red day, let's say if I was ready to hit $200 and I'm up like 620 port account, right? But if I was down $200, my brain would still thinking that hey, I need to get back in, need to be green, I need to win. You know, that's our brain playing with us. But in the long run, the hardest part in trading is accepting those small losses, and you gotta have rules. Like for me, my rules are I usually don't trade like 1 hour after opening. I usually stop 1 hour after opening, and and that's it. 1 hour after opening, like 3, 4 trades. Yeah, I need to like. There is one point that you have to stop. That's the thing about trading. You have to stop at certain points because your brain is not going to be functioning. It's hard to make all those decisions like fast, you know. So it's like a very fast decision type of business on trading. It's like if you drive for like 5 hours and you trade for like 5 hours, I feel exhausted on both because you gotta be keeping managing those positions and so forth, you know. So yeah, trading is actually the technical part is not very complicated when you think about it, right? Like the whole market is based on support and resistance. Because if you think about it, just humans trading here, right? Like human, of course, they are robots, but robots like algos, they were created by who? They were created by people. So you see, like goes here, buys, goes here, sells again. So you go here, sellers, buyers. That's kind of pretty much how it goes. Just like buyers and sellers controlling everything. Of course, algos. Most of the things are made by algos and big institutions. I can go on the longer time frame here. That's who tells you who's in control is the longer time frame. See clearly here, buyers in control. You see like a strong upturn. 15 minutes, stronger upturn, you know. Like yeah, you can make money shorting here, but the probability is high on the long side now, since the market's it's up, you know. Like yeah, you can short here, be a hero and make good money, but when you think about it, you know, how's support here? See? You go here, you're gonna see like resistance, support, uptrend. Because what's happening is like big uptrend. There is reversal, right? There's those reversals that can go all the way. Like now it looks like it's reversing a little. The reversal can go all the way here to test the lows, right? It can go forever, but my point is that like it's very hard to fight an uptrend. Now we're gonna test the range again, like a new range formation here. Testing again. Still very strong. Let's see the 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes, right in the moving average. When I go all the way up down to 848, so here there was a resistance here, now it might turn into a support here. I'm just saying that because of the 21 here. 21 simple moving average.
Good morning.
Yeah, that's like if you think about it, like the market is up, right? It's like kind of like you're fighting the market, right? Like the only thing you can control is like your stop, right? Like you can control your stop loss here. Like the first things that what I do if I want to short, the best thing is to wait. Of course, sometimes I get emotional and I short without waiting, but my point is that like you gotta wait for like a resistance to form, and you gotta wait for like a support to form as well, right? After that, you can have like a stop. Like for example, if I go long now, let's say I go long 88, my stop will have to be all the way here to 60s, right? And again, that can be good, but it can be bad because sometimes what the market does is that they go here. Because a lot of people are thinking like I'm thinking, they take those stops and go up higher, right? So two things we can do. You can go long now, put your stop here, or you can wait to dip here, go long, and have a tight stop. So, well, again, like you go short, let's say, you wait for to hit resistance, you short, and you have a tight stop. The tighter your stop is, the better, in my opinion, how it's really. But your stop also needs to be on a technical level. So, like, why would my stop be here? To avoid continuation. Because, for example, if I short it here, look at that pop. Of course, going right back down, but could continue all the way. Like you short here, look at that. Like you short here, you're in big trouble. Whoever short here. If you short here and did not take profit here, look how painful that is. The difference is that if you're longer here with a stop here, look how beautiful that is. Like to properly guess is pretty much like a support. Yeah, that's your guess, man. Your guess is the support and the resistance. Like now, two, we're gonna test the support. There we go. It broke the support. So it broke the support. Let's see if that's just taking stops right here. It's another thing you gotta wait for confirmation. Like, you see, let's see if it broke. If that's broken, it's gonna recover. See, just took some stops here. So far, it's holding. My one thing that's happening here is that my moving average are crossing. So you see, moving average cross to the upside, it's a long. Moving average crossing to the downside is usually a short. So pretty much like a short here would be my stop around like here. If I shorter here, my stop would have to be here. Because I'm expecting the support here not to hold. Right? That'll be my expectation. Yeah. A short here would be a stop all the way here. Let's see if we're gonna get a failure here in the support. Short here, my stop would have to be here on the 90s, 80s. Take a profit would have to be, let's just see like a little support here, support all the way down here. 800s, yeah. Still holding. Yeah, it held. It's held, man. It's tough to be a short today. And you see, tries to take some stops here, and boom, right back up. Kaboom. It's hard to be a short today, I tell you that. Market's too strong, man, too strong. Such a strong uptrend. Too strong, too short. Man, we only have 2 likes. That's crazy, man. I've been here for 3 hours, only have 2 likes. Come on, guys. Give me a like, help out, man. Help me out. Help a brother out. 2 likes in 3 hours. That's crazy, man. Damn. Yeah, there's a support, support and resistance. You can see, a resistance turning into a support. It's like that's how kind of like trading works. Like you see, let's say here was the resistance, breaks the resistance, go up, the resistance is gonna turn into a support, right? Now it's gonna be a new resistance, and if we break here, the resistance is gonna turn into a support. That's how the market works. See, here was the resistance broke, turned into a support. See, went back, support again. It's like a basic of trading, support and resistance. Support here, resistance here. Support here, resistance here. It's like the basic of trading, resistance and support, guys. Resistance and support. Come on, guys, let's see if we can get 5 likes at least. I only had 2 likes today. That's crazy. 3 hours streaming for 2 likes, and 1 like I gave myself. Oh man, that's crazy stuff. Then YouTube. That's because buyers and sellers. The market is created by buyers and sellers, right? So let me see if I let me see how I can explain that. Okay, so people buying here, right? People buying, people buying, people buying, people selling, people selling, people selling. Buyers took over, buyers took over, right? Buyers took over, sellers tried to push, buyers took over. So what's usually happens is that when it goes back here, people try to buy more, right? People try to buy more, right? So that's kind of how it works. Because people don't want to lose, so they keep buying more. And also there are big institutions. The big institutions they have certain levels that they are buying, right? They have certain levels that they are buying. So that's why it keeps holding support and resistance. Big institutions also have levels that they sell. That's how the resistance they get held, right? Those institutions they are selling here. But when the institution stops selling, what happens? They buy and take overs, right? So the same thing here. Let's see if it goes all the way back here. Institutions are buying here. Institutions have huge buying orders here. So those institutional orders, they are here. They are holding. They are holding things up. So institutions like retail does not move the market. Algos move the market with institutional. So you see now it's holding. But later when you don't hold, you see those big like see those big flush sometimes. That's because it's hitting stop loss and going down. Not only the stops, but sometimes some big sellers come over algo. There are some news that come, the algos are there, man. The algos are non-stop scanning. Well, let's see if we gotta give him some more likes here. I only have 2 likes or what? Let me refresh. 3 likes, thank you. Whoever gave 1 extra like, thank you, man. Let's see if by the end of my stream I can get like 5 or 10 likes. It's crazy. Those big YouTubers get like fucking 1,000 likes, and I'm here trying to get like 5 to 10. So anyway, yeah, that's see like now that the support here is trying to hold still. Let's fix this chart. Yeah, there we go. See, support is breaking. What's the next level if the support doesn't hold? See it's holding. Support is still holding there. Support still holding for now, but let's see if it doesn't hold. The next level will be, yeah, kind of here. See, here was a resistance turning into a small support. Yeah, doesn't look very strong. Here does not look like a strong support. There was a resistance here. It's gonna turn into a support, right? We can even go lower here. Instead of having the support too tight, you can have it here. That's it. Let's do that. Let's do this. And the next level, here is like a very small support, 835-ish. So yeah, the moving average is crossing here. Let's see if they're gonna hold. How long can we hold this support, right? Alright, guys. I think I'll be out. I've been here for like 3 hours and 30 minutes. Not many people online. I only got 30 views. That's crazy for 3 hours and 30 minutes. I don't know. Maybe YouTube doesn't like me or something. It's tiring. It's, well, I tell you what, if 6 months from now I don't get like at least 10,000 subscribers and fuck it, and like when I go live I get at least a hundred viewers, like I will stop this thing, and it's like madness. It's like a lot of work. But thank you for participating, man. Thanks for being here. So see you guys later. I will try to come later. I'll try to stream later, okay? So thank you. Appreciate it. Bye bye.